It's a new home office. Modernize your workspace with this touchscreen all-in-one PC, this glass-top mahogany finished desk from visiondecor.com, and this ergonomic office chair. Plus, we're throwing in this colorful rug, making this deal worth $2,694.
Okay, so we like that, right?
Yes.
We like that. That's good. That's worth playing for.
Yes.
But what if I could also let you play for this?
It's a new dining room. This contemporary collection from I Squared features this walnut table with black metal legs paired with matching chairs, and this stylish bench is beautifully set with this porcelain dinnerware, flatware, and 24 roses, which will be delivered to your home every month for a year from Passion Growers. This deal's worth $3,832.
Nothing says I'm sorry like 24 roses delivered every single month. So this would be good enough to play for by itself, right?
There it is.
But we also have this.
It's a trip to New Orleans. You're off to the Big Easy, where you'll relax for 4 nights in the heart of the French Quarter at the charming Hotel Monteleone. Enjoy the heated rooftop pool with spectacular views of the city, plus award-winning restaurants and a luxurious spa, where you'll indulge in complimentary spa treatments. Daily breakfast and round-trip airfare are included in this deal worth $6,794.
So, all of those prizes can be yours. The whole thing. Whole thing. Office, dining room, trip, just by playing a game that we call Panic Button. Come with me. You folks stand right there. Panic Button. Right in front of you, you see 6 buttons. One at a time, you will hit a button. 3 of these buttons do nothing, and that is a good thing, because each of the other 3 buttons, they close a curtain. And when a curtain is closed, you lose that prize. So if you hit a button and you hear this noise, that's a good thing. All the curtains stay open, nothing closes. You hear this noise? That is a bad thing. It means one of the curtains is about to close. You hit 3 buttons. You are hoping that you hit all 3 of the right buttons so that nothing closes. Whichever prizes remain after you've hit all 3 buttons, that's what you have. First button, say it, then hit it.
4.
Well, that's one way to do it. Hey, okay. Your turn. Say it, then hit it.
6.
Ooh, with authority. Nicole, say it, then hit it.
2.
Like what?
Sometimes I like to hit the buttons hard. Sometimes I like to hit them slow.
Wow. Well, that's the fastest we've ever played that game. We have all this time. Man, Anthony, Nicole, you've got the trip, you've got the office, you've got the dining room. But what if I told you that I could give you more? I said there's more to be had if you're willing to put it all on the line. We have 2 more buttons right here. One of these buttons keeps everything open. That means you keep it. Whew. The other one closes everything. Now, it seems, well, Wayne, I've already got everything. Why should I want that? Did I also mention that if you hit the right button that leaves everything open, you get $4,000 cash? It's a hard decision because you have a lot right now. You have prizes valued total of over $13,000. That's a lot to just give up on a whim. But you could walk out of here with $4,000 cash besides what you already have, or just walk away.
We're going to keep it, Wayne.
Just for fun. Just for fun. Pick a button. Say it, then hit it.
A.
You would have had $4,000, but you also, right now, you have $13,000 worth of prizes. That's all right. Give a big round of applause. Boy, let's make a deal. Big deal of the day right around the corner. We love this, baby. We'll see you in a second.